To live is to ask the big questions like, why are we here? What is our purpose? And, whoa, how fast was that serve? 98 miles per hour, nice. But I was thinking about, wow, I'm sorry. Hi there, how far was that drive? 250 yards? But I'm talking about mysteries, like, wait, are you taking an ECG here? And you're taking one here. Are you taking an ECG next to a piñata? Heads up! Oh, hi, we're surfing. Wow, that's just impressive. Wait, how many waves you get? 15 waves. Whoa, where are we going now? You look like you've got a question.
How far am I going?
Wait, who's talking? Hey, where are you going? Am I the only one who just saw that? Is he okay?
I'm okay.
He's okay. Oh, good morning. How'd you sleep? Why are you checking your blood oxygen level? Oh, that's why. Okay, let's get back to the big questions. Like, are the mysteries of the universe out of reach, or can we discover the answers through the power of meditation? Oh, come on now. You know you're levitating, right? Sorry, don't mind me. Anyway, there are questions, and it seems like your watch has all the answers, which is cheating.